Your bones are stronger than concrete. Sounds impossible, right? But it's true, and your skeleton is working overtime, even while you sleep. Let's crack open the secret world inside your body. Bones aren't just hard sticks. They're living, dynamic powerhouses that keep you moving and protect everything that matters. Think about this. Ounce for ounce, your femur can handle more pressure than concrete or even granite. That's why Olympic athletes can land jaw-dropping jumps without shattering their legs. But bones aren't just strong, they're smart. Every day, your body breaks down old bone and builds new bone, recycling itself in a never-ending loop. Imagine a construction crew that never sleeps. That's your skeleton. In fact, you get a brand new skeleton every 10 years, cell by cell. How does it work? Specialized cells called osteoclasts break down old bone, while osteoblasts build it back up, stronger than before. Here's the wild part. Bone can heal itself after a break. Unlike most materials, it doesn't just patch the crack. It grows back, often even stronger. Concrete cracks and stays cracked. But your bones? They call in reinforcements, send nutrients, and rebuild the damage from the inside out. Some bones can heal in just a few weeks. Kids' bones are especially fast, sometimes mending in half the time it takes for adults. But what makes bones so tough? It's a blend of hard minerals for strength and flexible collagen for shock absorption, a natural composite better than most man-made materials. To put it in perspective, a cubic inch of bone can support over 19,000 pounds, about 5 pickup trucks stacked together. That's next-level durability. But bones aren't invincible. Astronauts lose bone density in space, and osteoporosis can make bones fragile. Even superheroes have their limits. Here's a twist. Scientists are studying bone regeneration to inspire new materials, like self-healing concrete and ultra-strong building tech. Some people believe bones are brittle, but that's a myth. Bones are designed to bend slightly under stress, which helps prevent breaks. So what does this mean for you? Every jump, step, or stumble is a test your bones pass with flying colors, thanks to millions of years of evolution. Next time you trip or take a hard fall, remember, your bones are quietly working to keep you upright, strong, and ready for whatever comes next. Here's something to ponder. If your bones can heal and rebuild, what else in your body is secretly stronger than you think? But here's the real question. What's the most surprising thing you've ever broken or seen heal? Some stories are almost unbelievable. Follow for more mind-blowing facts about your body and the world around you. You won't believe what's coming next.